Dealing with the death of a loved one is one of the hardest things anyone will handle. In many cases, the worst part is simply the aftermath. Grief to process, memorials to plan, and then there's the estate. In the United States, 67% of people have not prepared even a simple estate plan. This means that most people will need to work through probate court to sort out the affairs of their loved ones. Even people who have made preparations may be unknowingly condemning their friends and family to months or years of dealing with the courts. Despite it being an eventuality for most, probate court remains a mysterious part of law. One of the major points of confusion is the sheer time commitment that it is. While every situation is different, you can expect a typical probate court case to take anywhere from 1 to 2 years. While we can't cover everything, here are the top 5 reasons that probate court takes so long. Reason number 1. Depending on circumstances, certain points in the court process can be very slow, most commonly in instances when a hearing is needed. There are also periods where it is mandatory for a case to remain open for claims to be made, even if nothing is happening. Reason number 2. The administration must gather information, account for, and then manage every liquid asset, every parcel of real estate, every vehicle, and more that the decedent had at the time of their death. Many aspects of this process rely on the receipt of information that can be very tedious and time-consuming to gather, even with the most clear and persuasive authority. Reason number 3. The administration also must account for every debt, bill, claim, etc. that the decedent owned at the time of their death, and strategize how to deal with them, including negotiating with claimants. Again, this can be a long process, especially for someone who is doing it for the first time, which, frankly, is most people in this situation. Reason number 4. Tax situations in estates and trusts can be very complex, and it is unwise to close an estate or trust prior to every loose end being tied. This is especially true if the person who has passed was not up to date on their taxes at the time of their passing. Reason number 5. The state of someone's planning prior to their death also has a large impact on the situation. Poor, outdated, or non-existent planning raises the odds of an estate administration being drawn out. All of this and countless other variables can throw wrenches into every step of the process. Dealing with probate court is not easy or fun, but it is doable. If you or a loved one needs help navigating through probate court, or if you want advice on how to avoid it for your family, please reach out to us at Middleton Law Offices today.